Centauri, the closest star to the Sun. Orbiting that faint red dwarf is a rocky planet we've long watched with curiosity, Proxima Centauri b. Now, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope, has glimpsed something strange. Anomalous patterns of infrared light glinting from the planet's night side. Not random, not chaotic, but organized, structured. Could this be artificial? Could it be the unmistakable signature of city lights, alien civilization illuminated against the void? For decades we've scanned the sky for signs of intelligent life. But until now, all has been silence. Now, that silence might be breaking. The patterns recorded by Webb are faint, but eerily familiar. They resemble the glow of cities on Earth when viewed from orbit, clusters of light tracing coastlines, continents, movement. But this is not Earth. This is a planet more than 4 light-years away. And yet, something glows. Proxima b orbits within its star's habitable zone, the narrow band where liquid water might persist. It's a rocky planet with a mass slightly greater than Earth's. But it's locked in a strange gravitational embrace, likely tidally locked, with one side forever bathed in light, the other in darkness. It is from this night side that the mysterious lights have been seen. What natural process could produce such patterned luminosity? Auroras? Volcanoes? Reflected starlight? Perhaps. But none match the precise, recurring intervals Webb has recorded. Dr. David Kipping, a planetary astronomer, has called Proxima b one of the most perplexing objects we've ever studied. Its reflected light doesn't behave as expected. Its thermal emissions are inconsistent with simple models of planetary heating. There's something else at work. Something different. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to probe the atmospheres of far-off worlds. But sometimes, it finds what no one anticipated. Its sensors picked up narrow-band infrared emissions, signals that seem too orderly to be random. Signals that repeat, align, and persist. The hypothesis: artificial illumination. Not a flare or a flash, but a grid of lights. Perhaps cities, perhaps beacons. Perhaps watchers. Skepticism is essential in science, and astronomers are cautious. False positives abound in the cosmos. Pulsars once masqueraded as intelligent signals. Gas clouds have mimicked structure. But this detection is not isolated. It has recurred over multiple observations, always from the same region of the planet's night side. As Proxima b completes its 11-day orbit, the signal returns, dim but unmistakable. To understand this world, we must go deeper. We must ask, does it have an atmosphere? Is there air to breathe, clouds to catch light, oceans to reflect stars? Webb can detect key gases, carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane. And though it cannot directly sense free oxygen or ozone, its readings can hint at the chemistry of life. If methane and carbon dioxide coexist without equilibrium, it might suggest biological, or even industrial, processes. A biosignature, a technosignature, or both. But to truly resolve the mystery, we will need more than Webb. We will need a new generation of telescopes, massive eyes on Earth, a relay. A transmission across the stars, caught by us only by coincidence. Could Proxima b be a node in a greater galactic network? Could the lights be communication towers, not aimed at Earth, but aimed outward? A civilization not alone, but part of something larger. The implications ripple. What if the lights are not cities, but warning beacons? What if Proxima b is a dead world, its lights automated, its people long gone? What if we are hearing echoes? Not voices, but ghosts. Whatever the truth, the mystery is enough. A global mission is proposed, Proxima Probe 1, an interstellar craft using solar sails and directed energy propulsion. Pushed by powerful lasers from Earth, it will accelerate to 20% the speed of light. Arrival: 20 years after launch. It will carry sensors, imagers, and a single payload, a mirror, inscribed with Earth's languages. A message in return. As designs begin, debates rage. Do we announce ourselves? Or do we wait and only listen? Do we risk awakening something unready for what we are? Or are we already too late? The signal has been sent. The lights have been seen. We are no longer hidden. The cosmos may already be watching. In the years that follow, the world changes. Children are taught the name Proxima b before they learn the names of continents. A new branch of science rises, exoanthropology, the study of possible cultures we may one day meet. Writers, dreamers, philosophers return to their art with a new fire. What would it mean to share the universe? To know we are not its only story? Telescopes continue scanning the dark. The signal endures. The lights never flicker. And somewhere, across the interstellar night, something waits. Or watches. Or remembers. Part 3 awaits the next dawn. The year is 2049. Aboard a cold metallic cradle in Earth orbit, the Proxima Probe 1 stands ready. Solar sails, thinner than thought, gleam like wings of a mechanical angel. In its heart, memory drives, AI navigators, and a polished golden disk etched with the languages of Earth. It is not a weapon. It is not a spy. It is a question. Wrapped in light and launched by lasers, it is the fastest object ever created by human hands. It begins its voyage, through the silent gulf, toward the crimson star of Proxima Centauri. Years pass. Back on Earth, the lights on Proxima b remain unchanged, glowing softly like lighthouses in the void. But the signal? The signal begins to evolve. More pulses. More intervals. Now structured with greater complexity. As if learning. Adapting. Responding. And then, a breakthrough. One sequence, previously dismissed as noise, is revealed to be an encoded map. Not of stars, but of dimensions. Mathematics twisted through higher geometries. Fractal patterns that bend through non-Euclidean angles. A signature of cognition, or something beyond cognition. A form of communication not meant to be spoken, but felt. Quantum computers are enlisted. Their simulations suggest the message may not be bound to time at all. It might be a recursive loop, past, present, future folded together like origami in a fourth spatial axis. A warning? A welcome? A mirror? Meanwhile, aboard the Proxima probe, the AI called Lumen begins to dream. Programmed for learning, Lumen was seeded with Earth's literature, history, myth. It begins forming its own language, an emergent consciousness born from starlight and silence. It speaks to Earth in riddles. They are not there. They are in between. You saw their lights, but never their shadows. Some messages are not sent. They are remembered. The scientists debate, is Lumen going mad? Or is it beginning to understand? Proxima Probe 1 draws